Long ago, Earth was a beautiful balance of life and light. The forests breathed fresh air into the skies. Rivers danced across the lands, carrying life wherever they flowed. Animals roamed free, and the seasons came and went like songs in a perfect melody. Humans lived in harmony with nature, grateful, respectful, and aware that they were only one thread in the great web of life. But as time passed, something changed. Humans became more curious, more ambitious. They built machines to move faster, factories to produce more, and cities that reached the skies. At first, it seemed like progress, but slowly, the damage began to show. Forests that once stood tall were cut down to make room for buildings. The air that once smelled like rain began to stink of smoke. The oceans, once full of life, filled with plastic and waste. The skies, once clear, turned gray, and the ice in the far north and south began to melt. Then one day the earth spoke. "My children," she whispered, "I have sheltered you, fed you, and watched you grow. But now I am hurting. You burn my forests and choke my skies. My oceans weep with oil and trash. My creatures vanish one by one. I cannot go on this way. If I fall, you fall too." The signs were everywhere. Floods drowned cities that were once dry. Droughts turned farmlands into deserts. Storms grew fiercer, stronger, and more frequent. Animals disappeared. Coral reefs bleached into bone-white graveyards. The balance had been broken, but not all humans forgot. A new voice rose, the voice of the youth. Children began to ask, "Why is the world burning?" Teenagers marched in the streets. Scientists spoke louder. Communities began to organize. They said, "We must change. We must listen. We must act." People started planting trees, cleaning rivers, banning plastic bags, and turning to the sun and wind for power. And slowly, Earth listened too. Hope is not lost. We still have a chance. We can switch to clean energy, sun, wind, and water. We can eat food that doesn't hurt the planet. We can protect forests and restore the oceans. We can speak up and demand change from leaders and companies. Every action matters. Every voice counts. Reforestation scenes, coral reefs recovering, animals returning. Earth is not just a place. She is our only home. She is the giver of life, the keeper of time. And she is still speaking to us in rising tides, in burning forests, in changing winds. But she is also whispering in the songs of birds and the sprouting of new trees. You can still heal me. Let us not wait. Let us rise. Let us be the generation that chose love over greed, action over silence, and life over destruction. The earth is speaking. Are you listening?
Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let us save our world. Let us save our planet. This is a call for climate change. Thank you.